It's the PartyKingKeyz with another exclusive. One of the hardest working people in the city. Clothing brand did that. Music did that. Streets accomplished that.
Smoking gelato, calling we Capo. Nigga been talking like they need an Oscar. Nigga been acting like they need an Oscar. Fuck your bitch, she been an actor. I do not wanna act a texter. She been coming, she been a flexer. She been coming, she been a Dracula. Yeah, I been tryna stay away from the biters. I been running to the bank teller, trying to tell her to stay to the writer. Yeah, I think I'ma go up, stay on elevators, being plush. I got a bitch, she going up. Niggas say they wanna fuck with us. Put them in dust, nigga, they gon' need a graveyard, but the niggas about to go in deep. Nigga talk about LL Cool, nigga know I'm in that Jeep. If I'm going deep, gotta know they sleep, gotta wait by the Z, gotta know they Z, gotta know real Haitians coming through, they don't play with me, nigga. What's my name? About that action, no talking, got. Nigga wanna say we're Keyz, we on Lacia Rat and that papa. Nigga got big fire on, nigga better stay on point, nigga better know we coming, nigga better know we sipping, nigga know we ain't running. Got big hoe, got big bro. Nigga wanna know I am big bro. Gotta know we gon' be on EO. Nigga wanna say you know. Nigga fuck around Capo in the streets. LEP, bogus boy, and I'm riding in this fleet. Key.
There's a PartyKingKeyz exclusive, niggas. Y'all weren't ready. You weren't really ready. You gotta catch up. You gotta return the shit back. Yeah. You see the apparel.
No talking.
You see the man.
No gaga. RP. Mike and Rolex. Let's get it.
Yeah.
2022 shit, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Put on next. East Side. Chatham. Shout out Keyz, man. Shout out the whole South Shore, man. Shout out everybody out there. Low end. Wild Hunters. Birds. Oak. Park. Line. Anywhere.
Yeah. How you been, man?
Man, I'm out here chilling, man, doing what I do, man. Just, just got back from Alaska.
Man, I heard you was out there with the Eskimo.
Nah, man, it's more than Eskimos out there. It's nature. They out there really living off the land and doing more and just resourcing just how they doing.
I saw the video out there. You was out there with the Indian chief and everything, man. Now you out here smoking some of that Indian chief.
Man, look, it's an honor just to be from a city where you really don't make it past 15. The new age now is being at 10.
Yeah.
So, I'm level up.
Yes, sir. How's the clothing brand going, man?
We still pushing corporate. We still pushing independently in the streets out the trunk. I got something on me right now.
Where can I get the brand at? Where can I go order something?
You can follow us on Instagram, Chatman Boys 88. No talking founders, no talking apparel shy.
Yeah, man, I've been playing some of this exclusive that you've been playing, man. You finna drop the tape on them?
Yeah, man. We just fucking around right now. New music definitely on the way. Be able to Apple, Spotify, Amazon Prime, all that shit. It's coming. We ain't gonna need to play out. I'm coming with that real shit. Streets know what time it is. You know what I'm saying?
And what's that under? Where can they find that at? What name? Give me the ad again.
No talking Capo. That's my name. No Gaga.
Wait, that's you. You know talking Capo. The original Capo.
Yeah, the original No talking Capo from Chicago. Y'all already know.
The one that was in the Vice video with Future and all. You the one that be with Future and all of them in the line.
Nah, man. Listen, man.
That was you.
Nah, man.
Oh, okay.
Listen.
Okay. As you had the city on lock independently, everybody went, no talking. I'm talking about the picnics, the party, had the whole park shut down. Nigga had the police block the street off. That bitch was looking like damn near one of Ryan Henry old parties.
All right, and that was all in that era. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm the first one that you could really say they could put an event together with no phone. You feel me? Just off word of mouth.
Shout out to the bro.
You ever see people in rooms? We talking dead people.
Yeah.
I get bitches the blues. I like them dead people.
It's exclusive. PartyKingKeyz exclusive. That's the only we gonna hear. By the time this drop, the music gonna be out, so you need to just go ahead and cop that. Go subscribe. Go follow bro. Keep up with the campaign. Shout out to the bro in the back. You feel me?
Yeah.
All the way down. That's G Yams right there. You feel me? Go follow him. Yams, where can they follow you at, bro?
Yeah, follow me at Prince Yams on Facebook.
Yeah.
At Yams Man Instagram.
You see who I'm with. You know what time it is. Make sure you keep up with Apparel. So now that you took over the Apparel, man, how do you see, like, do you see the growth? Do you see what you started, man?
Man,
like, you sprinkled the seeds, and not everybody got a brand. Everybody's, pushing that.
It's kind of crazy because I do look back, like, when all my friends and associates and people that just support me didn't have a brand, and I was really pushing the brand, and just to see that they went out and started brands, or even COVID made a lot of people do something with themselves, and it's just crazy to see that everybody want to start something, but it's hard to start something and you don't know how to, like, really finish, or if you don't know which way to go out, if it's an unattainable finish. Like, for some people get stopped and don't even know the means, so they stop it, and sometimes it's a blessing, but some people blessed don't be the right form of it, and the demonic way is definitely a way to not have longevity in this stuff, and it goes along with negativity and always, you know what I'm saying, spreading others. So it all goes back to how you are a character and what you're doing, and just being able to do something in the city that we in. It took a lot. It took a lot of sacrifices. It took a lot of struggle. It took a lot of just watching what I went through and didn't want to go through it no more. So I went other places, and I took what I went through here and took that places, and it helped me stay stronger and smarter to what's actually going on around me. So me being able to come back and forth, and me really being here in Chicago, being a native of my real city, born and raised, last 35 years. It's a blessing, it's an honor, even just to be sitting in the sky with you, just to know where we went from.
Facts.
From the streets to schools to parties to just doing all types of stuff that people would never know of. Man. So
came a long way from the old school on them things. That was 08, 09. This 2022.
Okay.
We lost a lot of soldiers. We lost a lot of people, man. We saw a lot of things, and you're still here. So it's definitely a blessing. And it's definitely a blessing just to be seeing our growth. Acknowledging the growth. Because there's some people, still apart. Some of them just ain't moving. They say young fools, but it's some old fools too.
There's some old and young fools out here together. There's some old young fools. You know what I'm saying? So that's 3 different types of fools for you, but they all categories how they come. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta vibrate to your way of life, and everybody have their own way of viewing stuff. So it's just maintaining the survival and being fit for it.
For sure. What was your inspiration for the No Talker, man? Because it blew up. It was like overnight.
Yeah, so I mean, to be honest, it's like somebody getting something expensive and not knowing how expensive it is, but you genuinely have a gift of nature for just nature, like expenses. So you not naturing it how other people will look at it because of what you actually going through and what you battling mentally. So a lot of people didn't know what I was actually facing and what I'm doing and how I really handle it, but I was actually going through something, and I had to handle it the best way I can so I could be able to be more productive in the branding game.
Facts. You overcome them storms.
Yeah, man. They say when it rain, it don't rain forever. You know what I'm saying? The sun gotta come out and shine.
Yes, sir. Like you took those scars, you took everything with it, and just applied it to yourself, man. It made you even harder, even stronger.
Hey, one thing about life, you gonna sit there and sob, or you gonna get up and you gonna walk through it. You know what I'm saying? Some people just gonna sit there and just mesmerize their own silliness or flabbiness or, you know what I'm saying, bragging or whatever. And you got some people that's really trained out, and not focused. So they zoned out. And all them people is weird.
What advice do you have to, up and coming designer or someone who just, always dreamed of doing it but ain't took off yet, ain't took the first step?
I feel like people that's out here want to do something with themselves, you gotta believe in it before anybody else see it. You gotta want more out of it than anybody else gonna want from it. You gotta also be willing to take constructive criticism and know that nobody's out here really to chastise you.